Hey guys, welcome to another edition of Wichita Public Golf, and today I am at Tex Consolver Golf Course in southwest Wichita, and we're going to play the back nine. So a couple of quick things. Behind me to the east is the Eisenhower National Airport, Wichita's main airport. And you occasionally see planes landing and taking off. Bombardier is just to the north of that. And then south of me, on the other end of the golf course, is Pawnee Prairie Park. This used to be called Pawnee Prairie Golf Course before it was renamed for Tex Consolver. But because of its location adjacent to the park, and that's a wildlife preserve, there are a lot of deer and turkeys and other wildlife that roam around the golf course, and at times they could actually become an impediment. So a quick little tour of the carts. You can see they're pretty much identical to the ones that we looked at Sim. Basically almost like new refurbished gasoline powered golf carts from Yamaha. No real surprises here, nothing in disarray, and we'll move on to the course. Decided to hit the range just for a little bit because there's hardly anybody out here. Kind of an interesting driving range. It's multi-tiered, and it does run right along the roadway, so they've done something pretty smart. Really well thought out here. This side is the road, so low handicappers by the road, high handicappers along the fairway. One thought about warming up. I generally only take 3 clubs out to the practice area. I'll take a 7-iron, a 4-iron, and a driver. Because really all you need to work on is some mid-irons, long iron, and your driver. Short iron should be a breeze. This is by far the longest golf course in the area, and normally we would start right over here at hole 1, but today they're starting on the back 9, which is okay because we're only going to play 9. It'll give you an opportunity to see the back 9. There's a lot of water on this course, and as I mentioned, a lot of wildlife. One thing that's really nice at this facility is they have 2 very large practice areas with large putting greens that are very true to the greens on the course, and ample room to practice your chip shots, and at the moment both of them are pretty full of players. So I'm about to tee off, and I just want to point out it is the 8th of October. It's absolutely beautiful out here, but that aside, this course is in better condition than it was this summer. The grounds look great, the tee boxes look really good. I'm quite impressed, honestly. It's in better shape than either of the other courses I've been on during this series. So a quick observation, the sand is absolutely awful. Much like the public course I played the other day, I've noticed this sand is just, it's more like concrete sand or playground sand, and you don't want to spend a lot of time on these beaches. Other than that, so far it's pretty nice. The greens are fantastic, and I made par on the par 5, and now I'm putting for birdie on the 2nd hole. One thing's for sure, for a public golf course, it is one of the most picturesque golf courses in this part of the country. So as I'm leaving the 13th green, you can see there's a nice view of the airport. And 14 tee box. This is a very ugly pond that is very low on water and high on algae. But my real question is, what is that? It's just like there. It looks like an old playground turtle. It's cement for... I have no idea why that is here. So some final thoughts. I I had a decent round. I shot, I think, 2 over, 1 over. I have to look. I don't remember. Anyway, very nice course. Very, very good condition. I played 9 holes. I got a cart and a small bucket of balls for the driving range for a grand total of $34. Now that is a very good value. It is, it's a long course. It's a fun course. It's not a terribly difficult course, but there are some tricky shots. And quite frankly, I enjoyed it. I would recommend checking out Tex Consolver, formerly Pawnee Prairie Golf Course. And we'll see you on the next one. Eat and drink fabulous.